Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by importing a RAW or highest quality JPEG into Photoshop. This preserves detail. Open camera RAW if available, then set white balance and exposure to a neutral starting point so adjustments behave predictably. Once done, create a duplicate layer and name it Working so you can compare with the original. Make a smart object for filters you may tweak later. Make sure snap and rulers are visible to align elements quickly, because accurate framing saves time in later retouching. You now refine tones and color using adjustment layers so every change stays editable. Curves correct contrast, hue/saturation isolates colors, and selective color fixes casts. Once done, add layer masks and paint with soft brushes to limit effects. This is why non-destructive workflow matters. You can dial back any area. For details, retouch with spot healing and clone stamp, and use frequency separation for texture versus tone separation. That maintains realistic skin while removing blemishes without blurring. You finalize by flattening a copy for export while keeping the layered PSD for future edits. Convert to sRGB for web and choose proper bit depth for print. Once done, apply final sharpening on a merged duplicate with a subtle radius so it enhances detail without artifacts. If you see halos, over-sharpening, or banding, reduce contrast, lower sharpening radius, or switch to 16-bit and reprocess. This troubleshooting step fixes most quality issues and preserves smooth gradients for final delivery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.